closer. Closer. Closer.
Kiss each other? Hi, I'm Anya.
And I'm Mishka,
And welcome to The Comedy Show.
which is dedicated for Papa's birthday.
Let's start this comedy show with a few jokes of our own. Hey Mishka,
What, Anya?
why did the photo go to jail?
I don't know.
'Cause he got framed.
Hey, Anya,
What, Mishka?
what did the mummy say when Halloween was over?
What?
Well, that's a wrap.
We hope that you enjoy this comedy show.
And all of you guys worked so hard. So sit down and enjoy it.
Hello Nitin bhai, wish you a very happy birthday. Janamdin Mubarak ho. Hope you're having a great time.
Hey Nitin, I wish you a very happy birthday. May you have all the laughter, all the good times, good health in coming days, coming years. Again, happy birthday and take care.
Nathan, wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Hey Nathan, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a great day. And all your worries go away, all your problems go away with this year along with COVID. So wish you a speedy recovery and so that you can break a leg, pun intended.
Hi Nitin, happy birthday and many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Nitin, happy birthday wishes to you. Hi Shika and everyone, happy Dasara greetings to you. Mishka and Meha, have a wonderful day.
Hey Nitin, how are you? I hope you're doing good there. I wanted to say hi and wish you a happy birthday.
Hey Nitin, how are you? Hope you're all doing fine, safe. Happy birthday, have a blast. Wishing you a great year ahead.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday, Nitin. You are a nice person. I like all your jokes.
Hey Nitin, wish you a happy birthday. You're an awesome guy. Your presence always makes the whole group happy, especially when you say some poor jokes, that mocha jokes. Last time, I hope you remember your last joke. You asked why we are seeing the lightning first, then we are hearing the thunder. I tried the same joke with my other friends. They almost hit me. I enjoy all your jokes. You are very good, and when I talk about the Hindu ideology, you have a very good knowledge in the Hindu ideology. Because of you, I read a lot of books, and you got a very fun-loving, energetic family, very happy family. Very so happy to be friends with you.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Hey Nitin, happy birthday. So the theme for this birthday is your PJs. You're very famous and popular for your personal jokes. I do recall a lot of jokes you have told about the Sardajis, the Russian, the Jewish jokes, and not to mention your Nityananda jokes you did in the camping. So it's all very good and very funny. But unfortunately, I don't want to repeat any of your jokes because all the best ones are highly classified. So, but more than your jokes, what I really admire about you is your friendliness. You're always smiling, and it comes very naturally to you. I think that's one of your best assets. That's what I really admire about you. I really wish I also learned from you how to be very happy, smiling, and friendly. On this birthday, I really wish you, Shika, Megha, and Mishka, that God gives you a very long, happy, and prosperous life. Thank you.
Hey Nitin, wishing you a very happy birthday. Here are some PJs your way, some in your own style and some in my style. Hope you like them.
Nitin and humor go hand in hand, and especially your PJ jokes. So I thought, okay, I'll dedicate few PJ jokes to you in this birthday wish video. Hope you like it. Someone asked Nitin, what is your date of birth? Nitin says it's October 28. That person is very curious and he wants to know what is his age. So he asks, which year? Nitin says, every year. Being his birthday, he wakes up early, goes to freshen up, I know what toothpaste Nitin uses. It's Colgate sensitive because it kills 99% of the germs without hurting their feelings.
आज नित्यानंद बाबा के जन्मदिन के अवसर पर उनके परम शिष्य सत्यानंद बाबा कुछ वचन देना चाहते हैं।
जमीन से आसमान तक, आसमान से जमीन तक,
वाह क्या बात है।
जमीन से आसमान तक, आसमान से जमीन तक हवा ही हवा है।
अरे पर इसमें नित्यानंद बाबा का क्या है?
इसी हवा में नित्यानंद बाबा सांस ले रहा है।
Hey mom, what are you looking for?
I'm looking out for some PJs. You know, Shikhanti asked me to send some PJs. It's Nitin Uncle's birthday coming up.
Well, PJs? I have PJs. Here you go.
Not your PJ, the other PJs.
Oh, you don't want mine? Okay. Here, I'll give you all of them. This is my PJ, Dad's PJ, and your PJ. Take all of them.
Not these PJs, the other PJs.
What other PJs? These are all the PJs in the house. Just take all of them. I don't know what PJs you're talking about. Whatever.
Hey, Bhagwan.
When does a joke become dad's joke?
When it becomes apparent. What did the mayonnaise say when the refrigerator door was open?
Close the door, I'm dressing.
Why did the ketchup blush? He saw the salad dressing. What start with O and end with NION that makes husbands cry?
Opinion.
Have a wonderful day.
Have a good day.
This is Adai and Nitin.
Okay, here's the other joke for you, Nitin. So there was once a very brilliant student and was especially very good in GK, general knowledge, GK. So he took part in many quizzes, all the GK quizzes, and he always topped that. He got the first prize in that. Then one day, that fellow fell in love with a girl, and he proposed to that girl, but that girl flatly refused him, saying that no, I'm not going to marry you, I don't love you, etc. And the poor guy was heartbroken. And then after this episode, all of a sudden he lost interest in GK. He stopped giving any quizzes. The quizzes that he participated in, he got very poor marks in GK. Any idea why? Give up? जब दिल ही टूट गया हम जी के क्या करेंगे. Enjoy.
What does race car and Nitin have in common?
Both are palindromes.
Nitin loves water.
Nitin goes swimming.
Nitin went for a swim.
Poor Nitin rust हो गया.
PJ is?
Poor joke.
P plus IJ is?
It's a complex joke.
Happy birthday, Nitin.
Happy birthday, Nitin.
Why couldn't the bicycle stand by itself? Well, it's because it was too tired. And the second one is, why do we dry our hair after we bath? Because you can't do that while we bath, right? I hope you like that. Bye.
One day, our very own Santa Singh, he was walking in the park. He was taking a nice long walk, and who does he see sitting on the bench there? Our very own flying Sikh, Milkha Singh. So obviously Santa Singh, he wants to introduce himself to him, shake hands with him. So he goes up there and asks him, "Are ji, aap to hai Milkha Singh?" And our man is happily sitting on the bench, and he says, "Arey putter, मैं तो मिल्खा सिंह नहीं हूँ, मैं तो हूँ मिलाक सिंह."
एक टाइम रिवर एक बहुत ज़ोर ज़ोर से रो रही थी और बह रही थी. तो एक वहाँ पे एक चपाटी वेट कर रही थी. तो चपाती ने उसको पूछा, "तुम क्यों बहुत रो रही हो?" तो रिवर ने कुछ जवाब ही नहीं दिया. वो बह रही थी। रोटी ने वापस उसको पूछा क्यों रो रही हो, फिर भी उसने जवाब नहीं दिया। तो क्वेश्चन है, तो रिवर क्यों उसने कुछ जवाब ही नहीं दिया चपाती को? सोचो सोचो। आई नो नितिन तेरे को तुरंत मिल जाएगा, बट रेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल सोचो कि वो बहती रह रही थी, वो बह रही थी। आई होप यू गेट इट। आई मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन। कंटिन्यूशन ऑफ दिस, चपाती ने बाद में उसको समझ में आ गया कि उसको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था, वो बह रही थी, तो उसने अपना एक टुकड़ा तोड़ के रिवर को दिया। तो उसमें उतना पावर था, उसको सुनने में आने लगा। बाद में रोटी बहुत खुश हो गई, तो वो खुशी खुशी में बहुत नाचने लगी, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम वो रोने भी लगी। अब तो रिवर शॉक में आ गया, तो उसने पूछा रोटी को, आप क्यों रो रहे हो? अब ये तो खुशी की बात है। तो रोटी ने जवाब दिया कि वो आटा आता ही नहीं है। तो रिवर समझा ही नहीं क्या हुआ। उसने वापस बोला वो आटा आता ही नहीं है। होप यू गेट इट। नितिन, अगेन आई एम श्योर यू विल गेट इट। और एक चीज़, राम सीता है, तो सीता कौन है? नहीं, राम एक टेलर है। I hope you get it again. And the last one is शोले। तो everybody must have watched this movie. तो क्वेश्चन है, उसमें शोले में एक डबल रोल भी है। तो क्वेश्चन है, वो डबल रोल किसका है? अमिताभ का है, हेमा मालिनी का है, गब्बर का है? एक हिंट देता हूँ, एक ब्रिटिशर है। आई होप कुछ स्ट्राइक आया हो। नहीं, उसमें किंग जॉर्ज था। किंग जॉर्ज ने उसमें डबल रोल प्ले किया था। यू माइट बी थिंकिंग उसमें किंग जॉर्ज कौन है, कहाँ से आ गया ये? गब्बर से सबको पता है, अमिताभ, लेकिन ये किंग जॉर्ज का रोल क्या था? वो लास्ट में आता है व्हेन ही इज ऑन द बोथ साइड्स ऑफ द कॉइन।
अंग्रेजों के जमाने के जेलर हैं। Hi Nathan uncle, I have some advice for you. Forget about the past. You can't change it. Forget about the future. You can't predict it. Forget about the present. We didn't get you one. Oh, by the way, happy birthday!
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm perfectly alright. I think so. How are you guys doing?
I'm doing alright. How about yourself?
I'll be okay after this. Drink.
Sure you're
Alright.
okay?
Yeah, I think so. So listen, am I a man or a woman?
I mean, you're a man. At least I think you are.
Oh, yeah. I think so too. Yesterday, I think after my drink, I left my glasses in one of those rooms, man or woman room. Anyway, I have another one now. That's good.
What do you do for a living?
Oh, I'm a dentist.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that's convenient because my wisdom teeth are coming in the back.
Your wisdom teeth
Yeah.
in the back. You want me to take a look at it?
Sure.
Wait, I can't see. Why do you have your ear here? Why do you have your ear in your mouth?
Okay, I guess I'll just come to the office another time.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Are you gonna drill with that hand?
No, not with this, but with this one.
No. Okay.
fine.
That works then.
Ah, I'll be all right after this ring.
Bring this man to the hospital.
So long, folks.
कल क्लाउडी है, क्रिकेट खेलना है नितिन। क्लाउडी मीट बॉल्स लेके आए, क्रिकेट खेलेंगे।
मम्मी इधर आ।
क्या हुआ?
ये मैथ प्रॉब्लम मुझे समझ नहीं आता। What song is this? 12.9
12.9 मतलब तेरा होने लगा हूँ।
यही सब सही जवाब है।
जब नितिन कॉलेज के दिनों की बात है, तो जब नितिन कॉलेज में थे तो उनको एक गुजराती लड़की पसंद आ गई थी। तो तभी उन्होंने अपना एक गुजराती फ्रेंड था, क्योंकि तभी हम तो उसके दोस्त नहीं थे, तो तभी उसका और एक गुजराती जो फ्रेंड था उससे उसने पूछा कि भाई ये लड़की मुझे पसंद आ रही है, सो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो लड़की भी मुझ में इंटरेस्टेड है कि नहीं है। तो तभी उसके गुजराती दोस्त ने उसको कहा कि नज़र से नज़र मिले तो पूछो केम छे, नज़र से नज़र मिले तो पूछो केम छे। वो लड़की अपनी चप्पल उतारे तो समझी लो आ तो अपनी बेन छे।
जमीन से आसमान तक, आसमान से जमीन तक,
वाह वाह क्या बात है।
जमीन से आसमान तक, आसमान से जमीन तक।
अरे बीच में क्या है?
बीच में सुंदर समुंदर के पास नितिन इंतजार कर रहा है, लेकिन लड़कियां कोरोना की वजह से नहीं आ पाई।
Hi Nathan uncle. Do you ever wonder why we put candles on the top of a birthday cake? It's because it's too hard to put them on the bottom. Don't try this at home. Happy birthday, Nathan.
This morning I was thinking about the time we had while we were in US and amazing plays that we were working together, right? And one of the play that I could never forget is this Discover India. So we were talking about script, we were talking about what characters do we highlight and what do we get on the stage, right? So one of the characters we didn't really focus much was Kalidas, right? But I continued doing some research around that time and there were a lot of things that I discovered. So कालिदास का ना एक छोटा भाई था जो कुंभ मेले में खो गया था और वो पहुंच गया इंडिया से जर्मनी और पता चला कि वो जूते बनाना शुरू किया। तो डू यू नो हु दैट गाय इज? और कालिदास का वो भाई था आदिदास, and whom we call it now Adidas.
Nitin does not use a shampoo to take hair wash because he uses only Shikakai herbal powder to wash his hair. So it's breakfast time. So Nitin sees Chapati crying. So he asks Chapati what happened. For that Chapati replies, "मैं रोटी हूँ पर वो आता ही नहीं." So after breakfast, Nitin wears a blue shirt and gets ready to go out and celebrate. What is blue but doesn't weigh that much? It's light blue.
And Nitin, for your birthday, I also made a very, very special शायरी. मैंने बहुत सोच समझ के किया आपके लिए, तो आप सुन लीजिए। टिन से आता है खाली आवाज, टिन से आता है खाली आवाज, नितिन से आता है हंसी का आवाज।
वाह वाह क्या बात
से
है।
आता है खाली आवाज, नितिन से आता है हंसी का आवाज। लखनऊ से आए बड़े बड़े नवाब, लखनऊ से आए बड़े बड़े नवाब, तो पीजे का है एक ही जनाब।
वाह वाह क्या
लखनऊ
बात
से
है।
आए बड़े बड़े नवाब, पीजे का है एक ही जनाब, और वो है नितिन रस्तोगी। Nitin, I wish you many more happy returns of the day. Enjoy and have a great day and a great year ahead.
Wow, Vatsal did that? He's smart. I think he gets all his brains from me.
Yeah, you're right. I still have mine.
चीनी कम है। अच्छा, तो जापनीज डाल ले।
जमीन से आसमान तक, आसमान से जमीन तक,
वाह वाह, क्या बात है।
जमीन से आसमान तक, आसमान से जमीन तक हवा ही हवा है।
अरे फिर हवा? इसमें बाबा कहाँ है?
दिखता नहीं क्या? नित्यानंद बाबा हवा में उड़ रहा है, क्योंकि आज उनका जन्मदिन है। हैप्पी बर्थडे नित्यानंद बाबा। बाबा, समय आ चुका है, अब तो हक दो।
तो जब नितिन गए शिखा को देखने और उनके घर वाले गए शिखा को देखने, तो नितिन के घर वालों ने कहा कि भाई हमें तो लड़की पसंद आ गई है। तो और ये लड़की वालों ने, शिखा के घर वालों ने भी कहा हमें भी लड़का ये पसंद आ रहा है। तो फिर उसके बाद लड़के वाले बोले कि तो अभी कैसे बात आगे बढ़ानी है। तो तभी लड़की वाले बोले कि अरे अभी तो ये पढ़ रही है। तो तभी लड़के वाले बोले तो क्या हमारा नितिन क्या छोटा बच्चा है जो इनकी किताब फाड़ देगा?
अर्ज किया है कि देवदास को पसंद थी पारो।
वाह 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 वाह, देवदास को पसंद थी पारो।
देवदास को पसंद थी पारो। देवदास को पसंद थी पारो। एसीपी ने बोला दया आसपास के सारे इलाके छान मारो।
Do you know why we put candles on the top of the birthday cake? Because it's way too hard to put them on the bottom. So it so happens that one time a patient goes to a doctor and complains that, doctor, every time I eat a birthday cake, I get heartburns. I don't know what to do. The doctor says, hey, you know what? Make sure that next time before you eat the birthday cake, you remove the candles.
Oh my God, October 28th is coming, our buddy is our buddy's birthday is coming. So I want to do something different. So I thought I'll say some Santa Banta joke. That will definitely please him. Okay. And I don't know, Nitin has a Purva Janma Bandhan with Santa. Actually. I don't know, maybe he was a Santa in the last birth, could be actually. One day, our friend Santa was traveling in a bus actually. Suddenly he was thrown out of the bus actually. And Banta saw Santa thrown out of the bus and he asked Santa, what happened to you? No, I don't know what happened actually. I was taking money out of the purse. The photo fell down. So I was trying to pick the photo from down. That was near one lady's, there was a lady standing. The photo was next to that lady. So I asked her, can you lift your sari so that I can take a photograph? She tightly wrapped me. And I don't know why she did. I see that innocence in our friend also, I'm 100% sure, in this birth, Santa is called as Nitin. Anyway, happy birthday, Nitin. Have a wonderful day and have a blast. And keep lifting a lot of saris, actually.
Nitin's friends, Vimal and Kamal, they come home to wish him for the birthday. So after wishing him birthday, they ask him for a treat to take them out. Nitin says, I can take Vimal but not Kamal. Why? It's only Vimal, only Vimal, only Vimal, Vimal. So Nitin and his friends go to a pizza shop to have pizza. And what does a garlic bread say to the pizza which is blocking its way? Pizza Hut, this is the last of my PJs. A wife was complaining to her husband, look at that couple, how loving they are. He takes care of her so well. He does all the work for her. Why can't you do the same? For that, the husband replied, are you mad? I barely know that woman. Once again, Nitin bhai, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and great year. All the very best. Have fun. Take care.
क्या सोच रही हो?
Bruce Lee was a great man. But after his sister gave a birth to a baby, he became a very ordinary man.
Why?
Because he became a mamuli.
हैं?
जमीन से आसमान तक, आसमान से जमीन तक,
वाह वाह क्या बात है
जमीन से आसमान तक, आसमान से जमीन तक।
अरे अब क्या हुआ?
जंकाउस्की ने मुझे 14 दिया।
और बाबा को क्या मिला?
बाबा का हालत नाजुक है, उनका मौका बाद में मिलेगा।
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to.
Happy birthday to you.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like
वादा था हमारा उनसे, जीवन के हर मोड़ पर इंतजार करेंगे।
वाह वाह क्या बात है
वादा था हमारा उनसे, जीवन के हर मोड़ पर इंतजार करेंगे, पर यहाँ तो कमबख्त सारी सड़क ही सीधी नहीं है।
We hope you enjoyed this, and please call the